Yo, what's up? What's up? What's good with y'all? Hope everybody having a great day. We got a banger video. We're gonna be talking about how to get into photography, how to start becoming a photographer. We're gonna talk about things like what gear you should get, tips on taking pictures, what softwares you should edit with. This will be like a kind of a beginner's guide, so if you're a little bit more advanced, you probably still learn something. I would call myself more of an advanced photographer, and when I go on YouTube and look at beginner photography videos, I still learn stuff too. So who knows, you might learn something. In this video, we're gonna be talking about like softwares you should edit with, the gear you should get when you're first starting out, tips for taking pictures and stuff like that. A lot of you DM me on Instagram and ask questions like, how should I start getting into photography? What gear do I need to get into photography? So I'll be answering those questions in this video. Before we get into it, I'm gonna need y'all to follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be like right. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. Actually, hold on. Before we get into the video, I actually got a little unboxing for y'all. I ordered some hats from Wish in May, and it's damn near August. So my hats finally came in. Let's see what this first hat looking like. I've never ordered off of Wish before. This joint was like $3 or something, or like $4. I like it though. I might wear this instead of this. This is the first one. Next hat. Yeah. What happens on Earth stays on Earth. The damn hat. Oh yeah. And I got my Astro World hat. Wish you were here. With the Astro World right there. I used to have a lot of hair, so I could never wear hats, but I really like hats now. I feel like they are adding like an extra like layer to your outfit. But we're not talking about hats. We're talking about starting up your photography career. In order to start your photography career, you have to figure out, why are you taking pictures? What is the purpose of you taking pictures? Like, who are you doing it for? Are you doing it for yourself? Are you doing it because you have a passion and you love taking pictures? You're interested, like if you're just slightly interested in photography and you don't know exactly if you should go out and go buy a camera yet, I suggest you first start taking pictures with your phone. That's what I did. Before I had a camera, I would go out, take pictures with my phone. I remember I used to go out and like take pictures of like nature and like trees and stuff like that. So I would suggest first to take pictures with your phone and see how you like it like that. And if you are interested and you like taking pictures, then you can move on to getting an actual camera. Alright, so next we're going to talk about the gear you gotta get. Honestly, for a beginner, you do not need a lot of gear. You really don't need anything but a camera. When I first started out, all I had was my camera and the lens, the two lenses that came with it. My camera was a Rebel T6. This is a DSLR camera. It was just this. It was just the camera and the 18 to 55 millimeter lens it came with, and this 75 to 300 millimeter lens that it came with. So I was just using these two lenses for my photography when I first started out. Before you go and buy other lenses, I suggest using your kit lens at first, just to get familiar with taking pictures with an actual camera. I don't believe that you should just jump into buying expensive lenses yet. I feel like you should start with the lens that it comes with. The pictures with the kit lenses aren't going to be amazing, honestly. So maybe if you don't want to, I don't know, it's up to you. You can start with this. This is how I started. I started with the kit lens, or you could go and buy another lens. It's up to you. But the kit lenses, don't expect your pictures to be like crazy. Like they're definitely going to be a step up from taking pictures with your phone, but don't think that the lens that comes with the camera is going to be like something beautiful, because it's not. The kit lenses are here. I don't want to say they shit, but they shit. I had my kit lens, and then I started researching other lenses that I could buy. I bought a 51.8, and it totally blew my mind. I was like, what? Like, yeah. The difference is the glass in the kit lenses, the quality isn't as good as lenses that you can buy from like Canon or like other like places that sell other lenses. And if you are interested in buying a lens, I would suggest the 51.8. It's going to improve your photography and improve your image quality because of the quality of the glass, and it's pretty cheap. I think it's only $100. So I would suggest that. Say you're like me, you don't really got a lot of friends to take pictures of. You could invest in a tripod. You don't have to get like an expensive tripod. You can get a really nice tripod for like $30. Just search on Amazon or something like that, or go to Best Buy. They have tripods. If you have a Canon camera, you can get the Canon app, and the Canon app allows you to see what the camera is seeing on your phone. You can like actually take pictures from your phone, and it'll like make the camera take the pic. If you have a different camera, like a Nikon or a Sony, you might have to, I don't know if they have apps, but you could get like a clicker, something like this. When you click it, the camera takes the picture. Gear wise, you really don't need a lot. You don't need like an external flash, lens filters. Like, this is all when you're pretty comfortable and you know what you're doing. Basically, when you're beginning, you don't really need you don't need any gear, honestly. It's nothing that's essential for you. You just need to go out and shoot. You need to go out and experience what it's like shooting in golden hour. You need to experience shooting when it's cloudy, when the sun is high in the sky, when it's low light situations, when you're inside. You just need to go out and shoot. That's the biggest thing for beginners. That's what I did. I went out, I would shoot, I would ask people, can we do a little photo shoot? You don't need to charge anyone. You just do it because you're interested in photography and you want to get better. So next we got editing. When I first started out editing, I'd have a lot of apps. I'd have like a lot of different apps. I would try new apps out. I would go on YouTube and search up best photography apps and stuff like that. I'll probably do a video on that. Even though I only use one app for photography, which is Lightroom. I don't pay for my Lightroom. I have the mobile version. That's what I'm working with now. All my pictures that I take, I edit with the Lightroom mobile version. It's free, so I suggest you play with that. On the Lightroom mobile app, it gives you a lot of different options to edit your photos. You have different light settings if you want to change the exposure. It has like all the basic things that you need, but it also gives like more advanced settings. Like, you can change like individual colors. Say I wanted this blue to be like more of a teal, I could do that. Or if I wanted the saturation of the blue, I could take it all the way, or I could boost it all the way up. I could change the luminance, make it more of a whiter blue or darker blue, stuff like that. You can go to the effects and you go into split toning, and that allows you to change like the color of the highlights. You can change it different colors, or the colors of the shadows, something like this. You could be like that and change your highlights to like something like not to match, but you could just play around with it. This is actually pretty shit, so like I'm just showing you guys what it can do. There's details. Oh, I forgot. There's grain. I like to use some grain in my photos to give it like a more vintage vibe. You could change the light curves. You could bring this down or something. I don't know, something. And as you can see, you got like a bunch of different options. This is pretty ass, so like don't do what I just did. But and you can like have presets. So you can save your presets in your Lightroom mobile app. Presets are all the edits I just did. I can save that in a preset and title it purple and green preset or whatever. I could save it as purple and green preset. So if I wanted to bring another photo into Lightroom, I could just go into my presets and select purple and green preset. Boom, the picture is going to be edited like the last picture. So I would suggest you going on YouTube and like typing in how to use Lightroom mobile app, or like type in Lightroom mobile editing or something like that, and there'll be a bunch of videos showing you how to edit your pictures on the Lightroom mobile app. So after you watch this video, go out, take some pictures, whether it's with your phone or on your camera, then put them in the Lightroom mobile app and play around with the different settings and understand what exposure means, understand what highlights, shadows, use light curves, and play with it. Just play with it, because the more you do it, the more you'll understand, and the better that you'll get. So now that you understand why you want to do photography, you understand the gear that you need, you understand how to edit. So now you have to go take pictures. That's the biggest key to becoming a better photographer, is taking pictures. Along with researching videos on YouTube, but I don't want you to just research videos, just watch other people do it. You need to go outside, take your camera, take your phone, and go take pictures. That's how I got better. That's how I know how to set my camera in different situations, the different settings. I went out, I took pictures, I got experience, and I did hella research on YouTube. Like, I remember being in my dorm until like 2 o'clock in the morning. I got class. I got an 8 a.m. but I'm on my computer researching YouTube videos on different types of cameras, different types of lenses, photography terms, beginner photographers. I watched advanced photography videos. I just watched everything. I watched every type of photography video. I watched it. Go out and shoot. Research on YouTube. If you have any questions about photography, just DM me on Instagram. This was a pretty short video, but I feel like I said a lot of good things for beginner photographers to know. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys go out and shoot and experience the journey of becoming a photographer. Even if you don't want to be a photographer, just experience photography in general. If you do take pictures, send them to me and I'll help you out. I'll tell you what I think. I'll tell you what you may need to improve on. We cool. We all cool, man. Everything's just good vibes everywhere. But if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe. Comment questions, or you can just DM me on Instagram at K1Myers. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna catch you on the next video. What? What button is it?